Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Hey guys, Bilal here. Welcome back to another video, and this is the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus 2018. Before we get started, I would like to thank to all my subscribers and viewers for supporting me here. And if you are new on this channel, please make sure to subscribe so that we can reach up to 1000 subscribers. You can buy the Galaxy A6 Plus from the link given in the description below, so make sure to check the link in the description. Now come to the point, and Samsung has mentioned Infinity over here, which indicates the Infinity display you're getting with the Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus. Moving to the back, we have some features mentioned here. The Galaxy A6 Plus 64GB internal storage, again Infinity display. You are getting 24 megapixel selfie camera in a Samsung device. That's gonna be awesome. Here we have some other specifications. 16 plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera, 4GB of RAM, Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor, metal body, 3500 mAh battery, which is quite enough. Fingerprint sensor and face recognition for security purpose. Now let's unbox the device and see what's inside. So first of all, we have the device itself, so let's put it on the side and see the rest things in the box. Okay, here we have the start guide. Then we have unfortunately micro USB cable even in 2018, which is really disappointing. Then we have some regular earphones, which means the device is having a headphone jack. Then there is a charging adapter, and here you can see SIM ejector tool wrapped in a tiny plastic bag. Check out the details of the charger here. Now take a look at the device, and it looks very beautiful, I would say. It is a metal body which feels premium in hands. Now let's turn on the device, and till then let's take a physical overview. So first of all, on the top it has a dual 16 plus 5 megapixel rear camera, and the fingerprint sensor is located very close to the camera, which is not a good placement because you can accidentally tap on the camera instead of the fingerprint sensor, which is annoying sometimes. There is an LED flash just next to the camera. Samsung branding is in the middle. On the bottom there are some more details regarding the device. Moving to the front, we have an amazing 24 megapixel selfie camera to take crispy pictures. And probably this is an LED light or the facial recognition sensor. On the bottom, we have this micro USB port to charge the device, and fortunately the headphone jack is provided here, which is a good thing. On the left, we have the volume rockers. Then we have a very interesting thing here. These are two trays given. One is for the micro SD card and the second one is for the two SIMs, which means you can use two SIMs and micro SD card at the same time, which is very important feature if you want to put two SIMs in a single device. Now on the right, Samsung has provided a very tiny speaker with a power button. I would say considering the price, the speakers are not that good. Now the device is turned on, and you can see the beautiful Super AMOLED 18:9 aspect ratio 6 inches Infinity display. The top and bottom chins are not that small when you compare it with the Galaxy S9, but still it looks very nice. It is very bright and colors are rich as well. Here we have the Bixby when you swipe from the left to right. Let's go to the settings and check out the details. So it is running on the Android version 8.0, which is Oreo, and the new version of Oreo is launched now, which is 8.1, and perhaps you will be able to upgrade the latest version as well. Then this is probably Samsung's custom user interface, the Samsung Experience version 9.0, which seems latest, and some more details about the device. One thing I would like to say here is that the touch response is so accurate and smooth. So the Samsung has done a great job in terms of user interface here. Now let's see the camera application. So here we have a live focus mode, Bixby version, and the stickers like AR emojis to have some fun while taking pictures. Then there are some filters to give different cool effects to your picture. Now let's see if it is able to take 4K shots or not. And here you can see it can record only in 1080p and there is no 4K option given. So considering the price, Samsung could have provided 4K quality, which could help the device to be on the new level. Now moving to the front camera, and here you can see the selfie focus, which performs as if the portrait mode. Here the portrait mode is based on the software. Here you can set the face intensity according to your requirement. Then we have some stickers to send funny images to your relatives. Now it's time to check the picture quality, and here I have taken some shots with this device. So this picture is taken in natural light with the rear camera in normal mode. The picture quality is, I would say, amazing considering the price. The colors are so rich, textures are crispy. There is not any issue with the picture quality as you can see here. Now this picture is taken in very dark area with the flash turned on and the result is fantastic. The camera sensor here is so accurate and able to take more enough light to produce a very good picture quality even in low light condition. I would say this is a very good camera at this price range because it is maintaining colors and sharpness even in artificial light. Now this picture is taken by the 24 megapixel front facing camera in dark area with display flash turned on. And I'm just gonna say only one thing about this quality. If you are looking for your kind of selfie camera for 26,000 rupees, then I would highly recommend you this device. Samsung has proved here that the Samsung offers the best quality cameras in a smartphone. Now this is gonna blow your mind. We have seen 24 megapixel camera quality from the Vivo V9 which was good. But here it is the best. I'm not a diehard fan of Samsung, but here I'm just telling you what I'm seeing right now. Amazing textures, so rich colors. This quality makes me to buy it right now. Now the portrait mode by the rear camera, and here you can see the picture quality right now. The sensor has nicely focused on the object and tried its best to blur the background. But the quality is not that good here when you see the edges of the object. So I would say at this price range Samsung could have done better, just like it has done with the picture quality in low light conditions. So if you want a portrait mode camera, then you should look for something else. So in the end of the video, you are getting 24 megapixel great selfie camera, 16 plus 5 megapixel rear camera with very nice picture quality in normal mode and average quality in portrait mode. 4 GB of RAM, Infinity Super AMOLED screen, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor, and last but not least 3500 mAh battery, which is enough I would say. But if you are looking better performance in terms of gaming and heavy usage, then you should buy the Honor Play for around 20,000 rupees / $285. So what do you think about the Galaxy A6 Plus? Let me know in the comments below. And that's all. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if you like this video. See you next time.